Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can log into ADP Payroll on your device. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to log into your ADP Payroll, first thing you need to make sure that you've already created an account. Only then you'll be able to log into an ADP Payroll. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing, you need to open up your web browser, and you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you need to type in the link that will be www.adp.com, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and in the top right corner, you'll be able to see an option as sign in. Click on it. Next interface will be directed to the sign in page, and on this interface you need to select an option that describes you best. And don't be confused, make sure to select the correct one that you've selected while creating an account. So just click on the arrow icon and then select it accordingly, and then click on next. Next, you'll redirect to the page where you need to provide your first name, last name, date of birth, and a social security number that you've shared with your employer. So after you're done entering all of these information, click on continue, and then you'll need to verify your phone number. So in order to verify your phone number, an OTP or a verification code will be sent. You'll need to type in it, and then you've successfully verified the account. And on the last interface, you have in download. And right on this page, you'll be able to see a list of options, so you need to go through it accordingly and then select the downloaded media. And that is how you can log into ADP Payroll on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.